Hello everyone, good morning. I hope you are all doing well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Express Yourself English. Guys, in this time I am outside of my home by the purpose of running. I am continuously running and now I am going to talk to you, my audience and my dear viewers. What is the importance of morning? Dear audience, I woke up early in the morning and I pray namaz, and after that I am working on my running purpose. And now I want to say something to you. The thing is that the importance of woke up in the morning. Dear viewers, when you try to woke up in the morning, it is very beneficial for us and our health also. Because in the morning, our mind is fresh and we can feel very healthy. That is why we can consume more and more things in the morning. That is why we should wake up in the morning, or we should be early riser, early bird. Early riser means the person who woke up in the morning, and it is same to the early riser or early birds. So it is the main importance of the wake up in the early morning. So we should try to wake up early in the morning. Thank you so much.